Scrappers, Tom from iScrap, and this is a really cool thing. You know, in the olden days, everyone had, landlines in their houses, and this is a piece of phone wire. Now, this looks so pretty because you just see so much copper spread all over it, but just like you want to taste the rainbow with some Skittles, you see all types of colors signifying the different lines that are in there. Now, believe it or not, this single piece of wire has 1,200 individual cables inside, and this is how so many landlines and the old internet lines and fax lines were run. Now, if you ever come across this stuff, do not try to sell it as regular wire. One thing you want to look for is on the side there's going to be a stamp on it. When you see the stamp, this number right here, 1,200, that shows you how many strands are inside. These phone wires are normally about a 60% or more recovery of copper. To give you an idea, a Cat 5 or Cat 6 line that doesn't have the extra plastic inside is like 50%. So this isn't going to be something you come across often, but if you do, whether it's 2 or 3 inches like this piece or an inch like this piece here, these are things that you want to separate. They're going to be worth more money because the copper content is higher. So again, it's not an everyday item, but when you find it, make sure you separate it and you let your scrapyard buyer know you know that this is worth more money and want to get paid for it appropriately before you get paid out. Always ask questions. One of the biggest things that we can emphasize at our yard, we generally teach people, but a lot of yards we've heard don't teach people. So ask questions, be knowledgeable, make more money. Anything else you want to know, just let us know. Thanks for checking out this scrap video. For more exclusive scrap video content, please become a YouTube member of our channel today. Thank you, and I'll scrap you later.